everyone, today in Julie's kitchen we're making microwave chocolate cake with a chocolate ganache. Helping me today is Ray, and Juli, Joe, and Erina. Yay! Let's get cooking. You're going to take 1.5 tablespoons of cocoa powder and just put it into the mug. 1.5. Then 3 tablespoons of flour.
With the same spoon?
Okay.
Magic.
1.
Mine is so dirty.
It's okay. 2, 3. Then just a pinch of salt, but since we're gonna not pinch it, just that much.
Hey! It's a really small pinch. That's not a pinch. It's a pinch.
That's a tablespoon of sugar. Sugar. Then 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder.
No!
Right.
We're all gonna be very messy.
This is the only bad thing about this recipe. It's very messy. 3 teaspoons of vegetable oil, which is one of these. One, 2, oh gosh. Oh, jeepers. Okay.
Oh man, pour some milk real quick.
Yeah, man. All right.
Say 3?
Yes.
There's all like gross and like covered in canola.
It's like 3.5.
Pass
That's
it to
okay.
Joe. Woo!
Magic
Yay.
time.
Why is your spoon so clean?
Don't.
What?
1, 2.
Oh my gosh, I went everywhere. Okay.
Can you do a
Okay.
panorama of my spills after we're done?
1,
No, you can actually.
2, 3.
Yeah. Look at this mess.
That's how the magic is made.
Dun dun dun. Mix it real good. Dun, 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 dun. This is a non-violent place, Joe.
Give it a little bit.
This is what you should
I
do.
think I'm doing it wrong.
Oh my gosh.
It should
It
look
should
like.
be like cake batter.
Like perfect cake batter.
Oh my god, this is perfect.
Squishy, squishy, squishy.
See, Jonah.
Mine isn't that great either.
It's beautiful.
Half a teaspoon of vanilla.
Science.
Once it's like a nice cake batter, you just want to set it all at the bottom of the mug.
No, okay.
Goodbye.
Oh, you can microwave. Cancer.
Waiting.
When you take it out, it should be kind of solidified, just like that.
Okay.
Oh, what? You have like a little thing for
Yeah, they're done cooking, so now we're just gonna plate them and top them with. Oh gosh. Top them with ganache.
Magic.
Look at the little
Yours is like the worst shape.
I know.
It's all fat at the bottom.
Okay.
It just makes it impossible
It's
to get it
something.
up. Magic.
Okay, Ray, you can do it.
Oh god. Jesus.
He's gonna break the thing.
That was supposed to happen.
Yay!
Hey! We did
Okay.
it.
Now,
One more.
Yeah.
I believe.
Where'd you go?
Yay!
Oh
It's
god.
always.
I know. Yay, we're complete. Now it's time
Cooking.
to test it and don't burn
Cooking.
ourselves. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, are we all doing it at the same time?
Here
Wait.
we are. Here's some milk. Thank you for watching Julie's Kitchen. Tune in next week for another video. Bye! This is bomb, man. Not bad.
We're too tall. We're too tall. No, actually.
Raising the bar.
No, I dropped it. It's on me.